All right, then there is demo. So if any package includes some demonstration of the functions that they export, then you can use the demo function. Not all packages do this, only some of them will do that. And then there is example, right? So for example, in this case, if you want to see an example of the mean function, I'll show you how you can use the mean function, right? So that is also an option, but again, not all the packages offer examples or demos. Now, if you're looking for help related to a particular package, then you can use the library function and then use the help argument and specify the name of the package. So for example, if you want to know about the ggplotto package, then you can use the help argument within the library function and then specify the name of the package enclosed in single or double quotes, right? So here you can see all the information related to the ggplotto package. Now, a Vignet is a long form guide to an R package. It's different from the reference manual in that it will show you how you can use the package for a particular purpose or for a particular type of data analysis. Now, if you want to know or list all the Vignets available within in the packages that you have installed, then you can use the Vignet function. Right, so you can see all the Vignets in the package that you have installed. And if you want to see the Vignet from a particular package, then you can specify the name of the package and the name of the Vignet, right? So for example, here in the curl package we have an intro guide. So let us see if we can view it. First we specify the name of the Vignet, in this case it is intro, and the name of the package is curl, right? So you can see the intro Vignet in the curl package here, right? So you can list all the Vignets that are available in the packages that you have installed using the Vignet function, and then you specify the name of the Vignet followed by the name of the package if you are looking at a particular Vignet in a particular package. And then you have browse Vignets. It is another way to access Vignets in installed packages. It will list the Vignets in each package along with links to the web page and R code. So let us try this. Yes, here you have it. Browse Vignets. Alright, so here it's opening a new web page in my default browser, and you can see a bunch of links to Vignets in different packages. The PDF is here, PDF link, the source code link, and the source of the Vignet is there, and the link to the R code, right? So you can use this as well. And then finally we'll come to R site search. So R site search will search for a specific topic in help pages, Vignets and task scripts using the search engine at this particular link, right, which is search.rproject, and then it will return the result in a browser, right? So let us try this. R site search, and we are looking at GLM, which is basically used for generalized linear models. Right, it says the search query has been submitted to search.rproject.org. The results page should open in your browser shortly, right? So here you can see the results for GLM, right? So we saw a bunch of resources available online for help, and we also looked at a bunch of built-in functions that can be used for accessing documentations, Vignets, reference manual, examples and demos, right? So whenever you're facing an issue, you can look at all these resources to ensure that you can overcome them. And if you still feel stuck, please feel free to reach out to us.